Are you looking forward to cancel Amazon Prime on your iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily cancel Amazon Prime on your iPhone. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your Apple account at the very top. And then you will see the option of subscriptions. You need to click on it. Wait for a while for it to load. And there you go. In this page, you will be able to see all the subscription that you have bought. You will see all the application over here. And if you have bought the subscription of Amazon Prime as well, then the application will be available to you. Right now, none of the application is available because I haven't bought any of the subscriptions yet. So if the application is available, then click on it. And at the bottom of the screen, you will see the option to cancel it. Tap on cancel. State the reason why you want to cancel. After that, click on confirm and then your Amazon Prime subscription will be cancelled. So this is simply how you can cancel Amazon Prime on iPhone. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.